In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera settings in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check your camera, switch between different cameras, and fine-tune the image so you look your best in every meeting. Let's start from inside Microsoft Teams. First, open the app on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where you can control most of your audio and video options. In the Settings window, find and select the Devices section. This is the central place for managing your speaker, microphone, and camera. Scroll down until you see the camera area. Here, there's a drop-down menu that lets you choose which camera you want to use. If you have more than one, like a built-in laptop camera and an external webcam, you'll see them listed. Click the drop-down and select the camera you prefer. As soon as you pick a camera, Teams will show you a live preview. Take a moment to look at this preview. This is exactly how you'll appear to others in a meeting. Adjust the angle of your camera physically if needed, tilt your laptop screen, or move slightly so your face is centered and clearly visible. If the preview looks frozen or black, that may mean another app is using your camera, or the camera is blocked, so close any other video apps and try again. Below the preview, you may see some extra options depending on your version of Teams and your device. For example, you might see settings for adjusting brightness automatically, softening your background, or mirroring your video. If you feel the